Hi there and welcome to part 2 of our lesson on shall and will. In this video, we'll focus on other usages for shall and how to use will with expressions like probably, I'm sure, I think, I don't think, and I wonder. These phrases help you express your thoughts, doubts, and predictions about the future more naturally. So let's jump in and learn how to use them. We do not use will to say what somebody has already arranged or decided to do. For example, Lisa is working next week, not Lisa will work. Are you going to watch TV this evening? Not will you watch. We use will to say what we know or believe about the future, not what someone has already decided. So let's have a look at an example situation. Kate has her driving test next week. Chris and Joe are talking about it. Do you think Kate will pass? Oh yes, she's a good driver. She'll pass easily. So Joe believes that Kate will pass the driving test. He is predicting the future. When we predict a future happening or situation, we use will or won't. Let me give you some more examples. They've been away for a long time. When they return, they'll find a lot of changes here. Where will you be this time next year? I'll be in Japan. That plate is hot. If you touch it, you'll burn yourself. Anna looks completely different now. You won't recognize her. When will you get your exam results? Now, let's compare future with will and the structure be going to. I think James is going to the party on Friday, which means I think he has already decided to go. I think James will go to the party on Friday. I think he will decide to go. We often use will or I'll with these words and phrases. Probably. I'll probably be home late tonight. I'm sure. Don't worry about the exam. I'm sure you'll pass. I think. Do you think Sarah will like the present we bought her? I don't think. I don't think the exam will be very difficult. I wonder. I wonder what will happen. After I hope, we generally use the present simple tense. I hope Kate passes the driving test. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. Generally, we use will to talk about the future, but sometimes we use will to talk about right now. Don't phone Amy now, she'll be busy, which means she'll be busy now. Normally, we use shall only with I and we. You can say I shall or I will, we shall or we will. I shall be late this evening or I will be. We shall probably go to France in June or we will probably go. In spoken English, we normally use I'll and will probably go to France. The negative of shall is shall not or shan't. I shan't be here tomorrow or I won't be. And finally, we do not normally use shall with he, she, it, you, or they. She will be very angry, not she shall be very angry. That wraps up part 2. You've learned how to use will with expressions like probably, I'm sure, I think, I don't think, and wonder to share predictions and thoughts about the future. Keep practicing by making your own sentences with these phrases. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your examples below. See you in the next lesson.